Oh, good cat. Galing Coco ah.
Get.
Galing ho. Galing ah.
那我们就等你公司的资料。
Oh. Little treat for you, huh? For playing fetch. Now he knows his treat
Yeah,
when he
okay.
gets a ball. See? Get it.
Ayos siya.
Chicken!
Sinamukas.
Chicken!
Marunong na siya binababa niya.
Ay, lalong magugustuhan niya, hindi na ibabalik sa'yo yung
Chicken,
chicken.
oh, chicken.
Yan ang reward niya.
Oh, last one, Darren.
不要解释。
Get it.
Give it to me. Bilhin mo para alam niya. Give it to me.
Pagod na eh.
Sarap ng chicken eh.
Give it.
Get the one. Yeah.
Ah,
Chicken.
Chicken. Get the paper. Give it to her.
wala kumain na.
Tatawad na. Go get it, Coco.
See? See?
Ah, pero wait.
Coco.
Hindi na nakita.
Ay, di nakita.
To get her attention. Hindi ka man mag-train eh.
That doesn't work. I'm getting this ball.
Wala. His attention is gone.
What do you want from that bag? There's a chicken here, oh. See this one? See? Good.
Give it to the mommy.
Give it.
Naharap niya ng chicken agad oh.
Very good.
Oh, you got a big one na because you're big on
Yung
steak.
pala style lang yan, eh, no?
Oh, big one na.
Mm.